And see, all of us have pots that look like this on the bottom somewhere, right? We're going to spray the bottom of this with Easy Off. We're just going to let it set for 5-10 minutes, then put it into the 200-degree oven for about 10 minutes. This should scrape off. We might have to do 2 applications, but we're going to be able to get a lot of this stuff off. And you really should be using gloves, even though I don't. But as soon as you're done using this, make sure you wash your hands and stuff like that, because you don't want to get any chemical burns. And the more it's caked on, the more I'll usually put on there to let soak. All right, let's put this guy right here on the sink. Let it cool out for a second. And now I'm going to take an SOS pad and I'm going to gently kind of rub this stuff off. I'm not going to scrub, I'm kind of rubbing it off. Got some chicken in the background frying. Just going to use a little bit of water here. But look, it's taking a lot of that stuff off, isn't it? For the bottom of this pan, it might end up taking 2 applications. But one thing is for sure, is just the little bit that I had done had removed a considerable amount. So same thing, we're just going to end up putting this on, letting it soak for a few minutes, put it in the 200-degree oven, let it sit in there for about 10 minutes, and we'll do it again. What I'm doing right now is I'm just taking a razor to get up and underneath that to scrape it off. Because scrubbing from the top is not going to do so well, but scraping from underneath does wonders, does it not? I can also get up inside that crack area where we end up having the base attached to the top. Anything worth doing is worth doing right. But wouldn't you say that right there is 1,000 times cleaner than it used to be? Right? And I barely did any work at all on it, you know, using the Easy Off. When it comes to the baking sheet, same thing. I'm not doing any work really at all. I'm just spraying it and letting the Easy Off do all the work. But this is a great way to clean up the stainless steel bottoms, and you're not doing any effort, right? This goes in the dishwasher.